We will follow a simple approach, basically watch how one application grows from a single server to a complex cloud system and learn each networking concept exactly when it becomes necessary. This is going to be our imaginary travel booking website, and we will see how its networking needs evolved over time, and you'll understand why each networking piece exists and how it solves real problems. When we first launched TravelBuddy, we had one server running our entire application. How do customers actually find our server on the internet? This identifier is called an IP address. Now, you may be thinking, do I need to remember numbers like 203, 0, 113, and 10 to reach a website? No, just like you don't memorize phone numbers anymore, we don't memorize IP addresses either. And this is where DNS comes in. DNS translates easy to remember names into IP addresses. So when someone types travelbuddy.com into their browser, DNS automatically looks up the IP address that will look like this and connects them to our server. Our single server is now running 3 different things. TravelBuddy is now handling customer credit cards and some personal information. This is called network segmentation. Think of it like a hospital that has different floors and wings for different types of patients, like maternity ward on one floor, surgery on another, to keep things cleanly separated. TravelBuddy is growing fast. That's where NAT, or network address translation, comes in. So NET basically allows multiple devices with private IP addresses to share one public address when accessing the internet. So we decide to move TravelBuddy to cloud. The cloud means we're renting computing resources instead of owning them. So someone else manages the hardware and we can increase or decrease capacity in minutes now instead of weeks. And we're increasingly running into it works on my development laptop but not on the production server issues. And this is where containers solve our problem. A container packages everything an application needs, the code, the runtime, all the libraries and settings, into one portable package. We use Docker to containerize all of the TravelBuddy's services. Now, as we grow even more and we run containers on multiple servers now, because one server is not enough to run all our containers, but for all our microservices, we need them to communicate with each other across servers, not just on a single server. And this is where Kubernetes comes into the picture.